नमस्ते एवरीवन, मेरा नाम प्रियंका है एंड आज की ये वीडियो उन सारे लोगों के लिए है जो कुछ सोल्यूशन ढूंढ रहे हैं, नेचुरल वेज ढूंढ रहे हैं sciatica को डील करने का. Now what is sciatica? So there is a nerve which goes from our back to both the legs. तो कभी कभार क्या होता है, because of the bad posture it gets compressed. Either this side or this side of the nerve compresses. So यूजुअली जिनको भी sciatica होता है, जनरली ये पूछा जाता है उनसे कि आपको राइट लेग में हो रहा है कि लेफ्ट लेग में हो रहा है, बिकॉज किसी एक ही लेग की नर्व कंप्रेस होती है. राइट नाउ बिकॉज इट इज कंप्रेस्ड, तो हम क्या करते हैं, वो सारे आसनास करने की कोशिश करते हैं जो उसको ओपन अप करने की कोशिश में यूजफुल हो. तो देयर आर सर्टेन आसनास दैट यू कैन प्रैक्टिस व्हिच विल हेल्प यू इन लॉन्ग रन. धीरे धीरे along with whatever you are taking medication, physiotherapy, whatever you are doing, keep doing that, and along with that you can practice this, and slowly you will see that they are complementing each other now. Right now, while doing asanas, be very mindful आपको कौन सा आसना ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है करते हुए. Intuitively just pick only those asanas which you are liking. Right, कुछ आसनास होंगे जो somehow आपको एकदम से pinching pain दे सकते हैं. Now in this one video I cannot cater specific issues, right? So I'm making a series of few asanas जिसमें से you can pick and choose आपको किसमें सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. Coming into the plank pose, and now raising your leg up and down, up and down, up and down. Now यहाँ पे बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं कि जिस पैर में हो रहा है सिर्फ उसकी करते हैं एक्सरसाइज. राइट, ऐसा नहीं करना है. देयर इज नो हार्म इन ट्राइंग विद दैट लेग आल्सो जिसमें नहीं है प्रॉब्लम. सो इट विल हेल्प जिसमें है, इट विल नॉट हार्म एट ऑल जिसमें नहीं है. सो प्रैक्टिस विद बोथ द लेग्स. सेकंड, again coming to plank, take your right leg, foot in between the palms, place your right knee in between the palms, and just relax. Feel the stretch over here. If you can, then place your elbow on the mat and take all the attention to the area where you're feeling stretch. And do deep breaths. Again, and those who can, they can stretch their arms and place your forehead on the mat. Now the third asana, what you need to do, again get into a plank pose. Take your left foot in between the palms. Place your left knee in between the palms. Flatten your right toe and feel the stretch over here. It might look like ये तो second asana की तरह है, but now the change will come. Very slowly rest your left hip on the mat. And now raise your right arm up and look towards your right palm. Keep breathing. Keep holding the pose and breathing for 4 to 5 deep breaths. And relax. Fourth asana. Take your mat beside a wall and bring your hips touching the wall. And straighten your legs. And again adjust your hips so that they touch the wall. Keep them together and relax. And just relax. Now slowly take your right leg down and then up. Breathe in, down, exhale, up. Do it 10 times from each leg. In, up, in, up. So fourth asana was just lying down like this. Fifth asana was when you're taking one leg down and up. Sixth asana is when you're taking both the legs down. Keep holding and just do belly breathing. And then slowly come back from your right side. Then is seventh asana, I guess. Just lie down. Wrap a non-stretchable chunni around your right toe. And then pull your leg up. Now, जो पाँव को आप अभी use नहीं कर रहे हो with the left leg, you can bend your knee as well, or you can keep it straight. Totally up to you. People who have middle back issue, जिनको middle back में दर्द हो रहा है ये करते वक्त, they can bend their left knee and then do it. करना क्या है? Pull your leg as much as you can, keeping your knee straight, and stay there. And repeat it with the other leg. Next आसन, पिछले आसन की तरह same leg को pull करके रखेंगे. Then take your leg towards the right as much as you can. If you can take it till here, perfectly fine. If you can take it till here, fine. Now pull your toe towards your head and stay. Start relaxing your right leg and continue with belly breathing. And slowly take it back. And down. So we did almost 7 to 8 asanas, I guess, maybe 8 to 9 asanas in total. जिन asanas में आप movement कर रहे हो, do 10 repetitions with each leg. And जिनमें हम movement नहीं कर रहे हैं, hold कर रहे हैं, उसमें keep breathing continuously. We are holding in the pose, we are not holding the breath. The intention is जब आप stretch करते हैं और उस pose में hold करते हैं, तो जहाँ पे भी आपको stretch आ रहा है, वहाँ पे आप deep breath से उस ऑक्सीजन को उस स्ट्रेच वाले एरिया तक लेके जाएं, सो दैट वो नर्व खुलना शुरू करे. डू इट माइंडफुली. आपको किसमें मजे आए, जस्ट पिक दोज आसनास एंड डू इट रेगुलरली फॉर एटलीस्ट अ मंथ टू सी सम इफेक्ट इन इट. So that is it for today's video. See you in the next one with some new thing to discover. Till then, bye-bye.